Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited. Today we have our February XO Marshmallow subscription box. Let's get into it and I'll tell you all about it. This is just a box that after I did the advent calendar, I decided I had to have. My husband and I enjoy the advent calendar so much. Every day we would take out our little marshmallow, cut it in half, and each share in the flavors. And even he was like, we really like these. Can you just buy them? They're based out of Chicago, and I discovered that you can just purchase things from them, which this month it is the bourbon marshmallow, and I think I'm just gonna go over and purchase that, and we'll just talk about that on Insta or something. But they also do a subscription box. It is $29.95. I'm not an affiliate. They don't have a link. I emailed them. They don't offer a discount yet. So I have nothing to offer you except for to show you these and to tell you how wonderful they are. So I'm going to do just like I did last time. I'm going to start up here. We're going to go ahead and get in it, and then I will go downstairs and get washed up. I always do my unboxings. I usually do 2 or 3 at least on the same day. So I've been in and out of boxes. I like to wash up really good. So we'll do the rest in the kitchen. I don't know if you remember, but last month's flavors were matcha and lavender honey. The lavender honey was delightful. I enjoyed it very, very much. I'm not sure what this is. We also get a bonus product each month. Anyway, the lavender honey was delightful. I did not thoroughly enjoy the matcha. It was funny to the point of we went over to the kids for dinner one night and we took it over there so that everybody can try it, and I didn't tell them what they were eating first. Now keep in mind I have a 2, a 4, a 10, and a 14-year-old grandchild. The 2 older kids, not thrilled. The 4-year-old loved it. It was like she had been given a treat. She just housed that thing. I mean, I left the rest for her to eat because she loved it. The 2-year-old did not seem moved by it. My son-in-law really liked it. My daughter had the same reaction I had. So it just depends, I think, on if you like matcha. Enough about January. Let's move into February. Each month, we also get a surprise. Last month, it was the whisk with a stand. I was so happy to get that because I had gotten the whisk as a choice from FabFitFun and it didn't have a stand. And in all fairness, I think I like my whisk from FabFitFun a little bit better because it has a silicone handle, but the stand, it's a game changer. It's a game changer. This is our bonus product this month. It is a Valentine heart. It says "Feelin' the Love" over here on its tag, which I shut in the lid, and it came with a straw, so which has the thing on the bottom to stop it from falling out. So it is a cup. Interesting. So that is what it looks like when it's put together. It is super cute. It holds 20 ounces. I will probably pass it along to my kids. It's just plastic. I don't think that I will use this in my life, but I have people that will love it. So it kind of makes me want to set it back here just for decoration for Valentine's Day. Yeah, I might keep it. I guess I could take the straw out, make it look a little classier, but it's cute. All right, now for the reason we're really here. We have our marshmallows. I have discovered that each month we get a different sticker. And I also have people that will like stickers. Digging right in, our first marshmallow, and it's kind of like they're trying to make up the matcha to me, is turtle. Deliciously handcrafted set of 12 turtle marshmallows. They are gluten-free, egg-free, preservative-free. I can't wait to get downstairs and eat these. I just kind of want to eat through the box right now. Let's go ahead and take the box out so I can show them to you. It is a pack of 12. I say they're usually like 1 by 1, but I bet they're bigger than that. I bet they're almost 2 by 2, but that side you can see the chocolate on really well. And on this side, you can see the nuts better. Oh, I'm going to have to wrestle my husband for these. Turtles are probably his favorite candy. Can't wait to try it. And actually the paperwork says, inspired by one of our favorite candies, our turtle marshmallow features layers of gooey caramel, roasted pecans, and topped with delicious dark chocolate pieces. Looks like it's a classic candy. It's hard to have just one. I bet. I still actually have a couple of the lavender ones left. Feel very proud. Can you tell? Oh. The second box is cookies and cream. They definitely made up for the matcha. Cookies and cream and turtles this month. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. This one is not bragging on the back about being gluten-free. So I'm thinking because of the cookie part, they're probably not. Oh, it is. My mistake. It is dairy-free, gluten-free, tree nut free. See, they couldn't say that about the one with pecans. And egg free. All right, this says crushed it. Cookies, I mean. Every cookies and cream marshmallow has crunchy bits of chocolate sandwich cookies and a touch of sweet vanilla cream. One of our most favorite popular flavors for kids and kids at heart. Well, they probably can't say it, but I can. It's Oreo. So these are basically Oreo marshmallows. Okay, let's give these a look. And then when I'm finished taping, I will go downstairs and we will crack into these babies. Oh, how good does that look? So good. And give them a taste. If I could wait for my husband to go to bed and do it in the dark. Why do I feel like I don't want to share these as much as I didn't mind sharing the others? All right, so we have 2 boxes of marshmallows, 12 each, turtle, nope, cookies and cream, and turtle, plus our bonus item. It is $29.95, which I know is not inexpensive for just a treat. But I have been eating just one as a snack, so they are lasting me so long, and I felt like it was something different and I wanted to treat myself. So we'll do it for a few months and see how we feel about it, but they are winning me over with month 2. All right, let's go taste. All right, guys, we are now to the eating portion of this program. So we're going to start with, I have cut them because I have my husband here to taste them with me. So we're going to start with the cookies and cream. So that's what they look like when they're cut in half. And this is the cookies and cream out of the box. So we're going to try this one first. So I've given him his, so we're going to get 2 opinions here. Anything's going to be better than that matcha from last time. Oh, that's good. You can taste the cookies in it.
Yeah.
It crunches of the cookies.
Little crunch.
They say, what do they call them? Chocolate sandwich filled cookies, but it's Oreo they're going for. That is so good. So much better than the matcha. See? They knew what they were doing sending me the matcha first. Now everything by comparison is like, oh my goodness, that's so much better than the matcha. Okay, now we're gonna go with this is the turtle, and the top had a lot of chocolate on it, and you could see on the bottom better that it had nuts in it. I feel like I should have taken a drink to cleanse my palate. Oop, he's going in already.
First thing
Nuts.
it looks like chocolate. But yeah, got the nuts.
It has got lots of chewy pecans in it. I did not anticipate that much of a bite to it from the pecans. I'm looking at him. Sorry, guys. It's all about you. So good. I'm okay with nuts being in things, but they're not my favorite. I like if you're out and you get brownies and everybody's like, ooh, does it have nuts? I'm like, oh, it has nuts. So that's where I come at it. All right. That was the cookies and cream and the turtles. Actually, that side shows all the yummy chocolate. And they are XO Marshmallow. I just choked on a little nut. Okay. All right. Those are our 2 marshmallows. Delicious. I probably won't kill you. I will probably live too. I can't wait to see what we get next month. Thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Now, off to eat more marshmallows.